Welcome to the Future Classroom. I am your host Armin, and today we are here to explore the exciting world in which we are going to understand how AI is transforming the education. And joining with me is my guest Kaustubh, a true AI enthusiast. We'll be discussing how AI is being revolutionary in the field of education. So let's jump right in now. Welcome to the Future Classroom, the podcast exploring how artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword but a transformative force reshaping education worldwide. I'm your host Armin, and today I'm thrilled to be joined by our guest Kaustubh, an AI enthusiast. Kaustubh, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me, Armin. It's an incredibly exciting time in education, and I am eager to dive into how AI is changing everything.
Absolutely. Today we are kicking off a two-part deep dive into AI in education. In this first segment, we are going to unpack how AI is bringing an unprecedented level of personalization to the learning experience. So, let's dive in. So, Kaustubh, for decades, educators have dreamed of truly individualizing learning a curriculum perfectly molded to each student's unique needs.
Yes, that's right.
AI, it seems, is finally making that dream a reality. From your perspective, how is that personalization playing out in actual learning environments?
That's a nice question, Armin, to start with. It's revolutionary to understand that one size fits all approach that is currently ongoing is no longer the standard. With AI tools, we are seeing incredibly responsive tools being developed for individual learners. Some examples are adaptive learning platforms, which are not fancy apps. They all learn with the student and their progress. If a student is struggling with fractions, the platform adapts to the student's needs and it offers more practice and different explanations, maybe like video or interactive games. Then there are intelligent tutoring systems, we call it ITS. This is where you can imagine like a tutor that is always present for 24/7, all days a week, no holidays. These AI tutors can engage personal level conversational dialogues. What I mean by that is there are dialogues that are probing the questions and provide feedback on complex problems,
Okay.
and you will not know the difference whether that tutor is
Real
real.
or AI?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So that sounds really incredible, Kaustubh. So for student, it really cuts down that frustration, right?
Yes, correct.
The feeling of being either totally lost or completely bored is completely vanished to the minds of the students.
Right, exactly. Now, when learning things, with AI, it feels it is a personal relevance and achievable and
Motivate.
motivating.
Yeah.
So, this tailored approach gives you much deeper understanding of the subject
Yeah.
and better knowledge and better retention.
So it's a win-win situation
Yes,
for both.
correctly, correct.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. So personalization is very huge. But it's not just about how the student sees, but it's also how they're understanding it.
correct, correct.
So can you please tell us more about how AI helps us gather those crucial insights?
Yes, yes. We'll unlock some learning secrets and insights. This is where AI's power, that is analytical power, is truly shining.
Okay.
I'll tell you, there is previously we were unable to gather insights at a very large scale,
Mm-hmm.
but now AI is giving you,
A
and
platform.
rather AI is giving the educators some serious superpowers like learning analytics and data-driven teaching. Now these data, I'll give you some example. They are extensive student data based on how much time the student spends on a certain topic, what are the common errors, what is the study habits of the student, what is the engagement of the student towards that subject. So it reveals hidden learning patterns which teachers might miss in the large classroom based learning.
Oh yeah,
Then
like
there
in
is,
the schools.
yes, in the classrooms.
Yeah.
Now there is some proactive intervention that is a game changer, which identifies patterns to flag the struggling students very easily. So it can identify issues where students leave out or drop from the courses because of certain
Errors.
misperformance.
Yeah.
So this allows the teacher to intervene at a promptly and targeted
Support time.
timely support.
Yeah.
So it prevents students from falling behind or dropping out from the courses.
Okay.
Then there are curriculum optimizations that can be done, which are the weak spots in the curriculums, which are challenging topics for the students. So educators can focus more on those points.
And like it will help the educators
Yes, yes.
pinpoint it.
Yes, pinpoint with effective teaching methods and materials, and they can improve on a continuous basis.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, now I think absolutely AI systems like the students' mastery of on specific skills and competencies, it will help it
Correct.
very
Yes, yes.
So as we wrap up this session now, Kosu, it's like clear that AI promises fundamentally to how change and AI is making in the lives of the students
Yes.
and making it more tailored and more insightful than ever before.
Yes, yes.
Now, due to this, it's making the education system more broader.
Correct.
So now we will tackle the next topic, which is what is the role of AI in the lives of educators?
Sure, man. I'll be very much happy.
Yeah, so thank you for waiting for us. Now, welcome back to the future classroom. So now, me and Kaustubh, we discussed in our first segment that how can AI we can explore the AI's potential for hyper personalized learning and various other things. Now, in this second part, we are shifting our focus to how AI empowers the educators and helps in the schooling system.
So,
Yeah, so Kaustubh, a lot of people worry about AI replacing the teachers. What's your take on that? Can you please explain?
yes, that is a very common concern, Armin, today because people are not aware of current AI trends. It's an important one to understand this issue head on. My strong belief and my evidence that I have collected over the previous years is that AI is a very powerful assistant that is designed to augment the human element in education. It will not erase the human element.
Okay. So it will just support the teachers in learning.
Correct, correct.
Yeah. I think it also gives teachers more time for like what truly matters.
Correct, correct. It empowers the teachers. It will give them more time to do crucial tasks related to the students instead of getting locked into administrative tasks like grading and attendance and letters
Yeah.
and medical leaves and all those tasks. Instead of that, they can focus on professional development of the students. So AI will act as an intelligent content creator and performance evaluator.
And it
of
will
the students.
also help the teachers to analyze where are the weak points of the
Yes,
students.
yes. It
and
helps them to draft materials and assignments, and significantly, it will cut the preparation time of the teachers to create these contents. So it will boost creativity overall.
Yeah, okay. So now, can you just give more elaborate answer on how it will help the operation efficiency or of the entire school or the
Sure,
institutions?
See, beyond the classroom, I mean, we can see now AI is bringing significant efficiency into school administration
Okay.
also. So it offers operational efficiency by analyzing school-wide data. You can say the data sets are like enrollment trends, facility usage, teacher workloads.
Yeah.
So all these things, these are all administrative things, but teachers are allocated certain tasks by the school administration to do them. So this additionally, AI is helping them to predictively analyze or forecast the student retention rates or
it will just help them.
Yes, it helps them to save a lot of time, and it addresses the challenges before they become a
Major
problem.
problem.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So now, as you just said right now, as AI is a powerful partner for the educators and all the administrators.
Sorry.
But Kaustubh, with great power comes great responsibility.
Yes.
As a famous person said, I won't name him.
It was in a film, I think.
Yeah,
I know the
everybody was it.
Spider-Man. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
The ethical implications, but are absolutely paramount as the AI is becoming more deeply embedded in our schools.
Correct.
Like we have even a book specifically dedicated towards what AI will deal, like entire history of AI
Okay.
basically. So now, can you just tell me what will be some of the biggest concerns we need to be thinking about?
Yes, you are quite th- hitting the nail on the head. So, as AI is becoming more and more integral, it is proactively addressing all these challenges and specifically related to the ethical use of AI. So, firstly, we can say that bias and equity.
AI
Yes.
systems can be biased.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, to counter that, there are many systems in place because it is all dependent on the training data that is given as an input when the AI is getting trained.
Yeah.
So if the training data is not diverse, then potentially unfair recommendations or assessments are being divulged by the AI system. So it will we must have this some policy making is required from the government side to universal access can be given so that AI is being prevented from being biased.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So now,
And
can you just tell me about like privacy and the data security concerns? Like it's one of the big issues in the world.
yes, yes, yes. Currently, there have been many events where
Yeah.
this is being taken serious. This is being seen seriously by the government because AI is collecting vast amounts of data and which is very sensitive data.
Of the
The-
students.
Yes, of the student and the schools and the administration also. So, robust security measures and ethical guidelines are very important to protect this information from being misused or from being breached.
Basically being hacked.
Yes, yes. So, there are some very critical questions that need to be solved by the government side. We'll see it in the future happening very soon.
Yeah, I guess. Okay. So now, can you just tell about the actual learning process itself? Like, how will AI change the skills we need to teach our own students? Like, as AI is also evolving, the world is also progressing forward. Can you just tell me, like, which AI skills should we teach our students? Like,
Yes,
in the perspective of a teacher.
yes, that is a very crucial point, Armin. It will fundamentally shifts to what we teach in the classroom or at home or wherever. So, critical thinking and AI literacy is very important as AI is generating content very rapidly. Education must also shift its focus from just being factual education to being a little bit creative and critical evaluation.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So students need to be AI aware and literate into AI. So what we call it AI literacy will help them understand the limitations and identify the bias and use AI as a tool for inquiry and make
Not like just a threat. It should be used
correct.
as a
Correct.
assistant or a companion,
Correct.
which will help us always.
Yes. And in further advanced scenarios, AI is being used as a teammate, not just a tool.
Yeah.
So you make AI as a part of your team. We call it agentic AI also. So it is an irreplaceable human element that is
Also
also
present.
present. Yes.
Yeah.
So where AI is excelling at academic support, it cannot immediately replicate the emotional intelligence, mentorship,
Emotional quotient.
human experience, empathy, all these emotions that are involved into education. So this comes with a very holistic view of having the student development done.
Okay.
So teachers are indispensable currently for
Yeah,
fostering these social or emotional skills
of the student.
of the students, and motivating them to do the things which AI, since it is currently just a passive level, it is not an active person. So AI is a passive person right
Yeah.
now until we see kind of a general AI that will be coming into the near future.
Okay.
Till that time, it is a humans are irreplaceable currently. So
Yeah. So I think, cause thank you for, like, it has been a really insightful discussion.
yes,
In this AI revolution, in education, it's not just about technology. It's like about all the profound and rethinking of pedagogy, ethics, and very the sole purpose of learning itself.
correct, Armin. It's a very exciting and new avenue that has come up into the lives of people. It's very complex, absolutely necessary to have such conversations time and again. I'll be very happy to have certain more technical discussions if you feel like. And since we are very truly at a cusp of a very new era that has just
Yeah.
begun.
So that's all for the time being. So now, thank you for the future classroom. Now, is podcast will be ending. A huge thank you to our expert guest.
Thank
Jit
you, Armin, for
Thakur.
inviting me.
Yeah,
I'll be pleased to have certain more discussions, yes,
yeah,
right into the future. And best of luck for your new podcast, as I've just learned in the break.
yeah.
Yes,
So thank you for sharing your invaluable insights, and thank you guys.
yes. Thank you.